Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at Bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be showing you how to use two WhatsApp app on the same phone, either iPhone, Android phone, or any phone. You can use two WhatsApp, Facebook, or any app two on your phone. In case you are troubled, you have so many WhatsApp accounts and you don't know how to connect them without buying new phone, this video is for you. So let's get started. So I'm on my mobile now. If I want to do that, I'll go to Play Store. If I'm using Android phone, or if you're using Apple phone, you can go to Apple Store. So let me go to Play Store. This is my Play Store. I open it. Then I go to search. I click on search. Then I search for double app. Just search for double app. So let me search for double app. So this is multiple accounts. This is what I use. So I click on install. The account is installed now. So as it is installing, please do well to subscribe to my channel at Bizyjoe.com for more updates on things like this and how to make money online. So it's still installing. Let's wait for a while. Then let me open. So agree, yeah. So it's still opening. So let me allow it. This is the first time I'm installing it. As you can see, I've installed this on my phone. So you can access the app it comes with. You have a secret zone, you have WhatsApp, you have Pi, you have Facebook. If you want to add many other app in this account, so you can add this. You can select any app. If you want to have it too, you can select any app and add it here. Let's say I want to add this account, so I just it will be added to this double account. So you'll be using two accounts of this. So but this is not what I want. What I need, open it starts working now. So we're about to open our new WhatsApp. We want to create accounts on our new WhatsApp right now. So this English, then remove your agree terms. So you add your phone number. If you want to add your previous phone number, you can add this, but if you have a multiple account, you can add another phone number. Let me use this phone number 85897535. So let me click on next. So after that, you click on continue. Then what's happening? So they have already sent an SMS to verify your account. So once this phone number is connected to any device, they will send you an SMS to verify your account. So let's wait for the SMS. The SMS, I have not received it on my phone, but it must surely come. So we are waiting. Then the SMS is here, 512228, 512228. So that's the SMS. So as you can see, verification completed. So I can continue. I can type my name. Okay. Looking for backup. There's no backup. This I can type my name, Bizyjoe. Can click on next. You can add a profile image and all that. Done. So we have actually installed new WhatsApp. So this is just a new WhatsApp. As you can see, there's nothing here. This is just a new WhatsApp. So you can click on send message. You will see your contacts, where to message them and all that. So you can set to send anybody in message. You can say hi, So anyone, so anything, so this is how to install a new WhatsApp. So I can go back anytime I want to access that new WhatsApp. I will go to double app and click on double app. There are so many tools that you can use to achieve this. Where is my double app? So let me use the shortcut. Okay, see multiple accounts. I will click on multiple accounts. So once it's open, I'll click on this. So you don't need to install it again. You already install it again. So, and I also have my normal WhatsApp. As you can see, this is my normal WhatsApp. This is my normal WhatsApp on my phone. So this is my normal WhatsApp. There, as you can see, I have so many chats. I have so many status, calls, and all that on my normal WhatsApp. So with this, I can now use two different WhatsApp app or any other app on my phone. So thanks for watching. So do well to subscribe to my channel at bizyjoe.com. Do have a wonderful day ahead.